Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Iron Vlog number 127. This is my journey to become Iron Man. Right now, today may be a little bit of a break kind of day. I am going to visit one of my best friends named Tyler. He's the guy who got me the piñata, if you've watched my channel for that long. I'm gonna go hang out with him. The one thing about building Iron Man suits is that I'm not really building them with anyone, and so I kind of have to lock myself in my office and not really talk to anyone, and I get lonely. So I'm a very social being, and I haven't seen my friends in a while, so I'm gonna go hang out with him for a few hours this morning, and then he works at 3 and I work at 4, so we're gonna split ways around like 2:30ish probably, and then I have to work from 4 to 9. So it's morning right now, it's like 9 o'clock right now, 9 a.m. So I'm not sure how much Iron Man suit stuff I'm gonna get built. I really want to finish up this clavicle. This thing is kind of driving me crazy. It's taking so long. It's been so complicated to figure out, and I really just want to have it figured out. So we'll see. I've been thinking about it. I thought about it last night. I'm thinking about it now. I'm working on it, and I'm getting close on some stuff. I just need to. There's still one part that's kind of bothering me up here, but it's getting closer. I still don't know quite how to do the sliding joint just quite right yet, but I'm getting there. So anyway, if I can sneak away in between work and stuff and get a little bit of something done, hopefully I will be able to, and maybe I'll be able to show you guys something. What's up, everybody? Much later in the day, like I said. I actually made quite a bit of progress today, more than I thought I was. I'm not going to show you tonight. I'm going to show you guys tomorrow, because I think I'm going to finish the full torso tomorrow, and I'll give you a full rundown of the clavicle and everything. I'm planning on that right now, unless something unforeseen comes up and occurs. But I think I'm going to finish the torso tomorrow, and then we'll start moving on with the rest of it. I'll get that lumbar in, the head done, all that kind of good stuff done. I have an absurd sunburn right now. I don't know what I was thinking. I burned so easy, and I was out with my buddy, and we were just enjoying the sun, soaking it up, and it felt so good while I was out there. But I think I have one of the worst sunburns like in my entire life right now. It hurts so bad. So I'm gonna go to bed. I'm exhausted. The sunburn is just sucking the life out of me right now. And then come back tomorrow, because I think I'm gonna finish the torso. I think I am. You guys are the best. I love you guys. Peace.